So I'm sure you have heard about this quote that you only value things when you don't have it and when you have lost it. And that is the case with me and computer peripherals, if you can believe that. So I had a full keyboard, a Red Gear Shadow Blade, and it had some problems, but it was fixed by the company, so that's fine. But it had a problem that it was heavy and it is like very wide, and I was not able to adjust my mouse and the tablet next to it. So I was thinking of buying a smaller keyboard, and this is what I was tracking on for a while. And there was this another one that's called Dragonic K617, I think. Yeah, so I was looking at both of them, and this was the one which was cheaper, and it had no multi-device capabilities, and that one had. So I preferred to go for this one, and here we are. So as you can see, this is very small. So previously I had a Logitech K480, and it had a cradle to put your phones and tablets, and it was a very good function for a keyboard. It was heavy, but it was a good function. Then I bought K380. It was also very small, just like this one, but it did not had any cradle to hold your phones and tablets. It did not have any RGBs, so that's fine as well. If you do buy this keyboard, you have to remember that it does not have any multimedia control capabilities, right? I mean, you cannot turn down the volume or increase the volume. So that is something I was looking for when I was working with the keyboard. I am a guy who sweats a lot. So you have to be very careful about buying things that are white. I need to be very careful when I am using this keyboard. I always try to keep it inside the bubble wrap when I'm not using it, but that's only because this is new. I think when it gets old, I don't think I'm going to care about it, so like I'm doing it now. So be very careful about the color being white and not having any control options when it comes to media. If you want to use a keyboard with a tablet, then go for a Bluetooth one. And the RGBs look really cool, and I don't know why, but in this video I am not able to see exactly how colorful and how bright it is. Maybe because I'm shooting this on a 5-year-old camera, that's why, but I'll take care of it in the next one. So some time ago I had a hard drive, HDD, and I tried to connect it to my phone, and it was not working then, right? And if you can see in this one, I also tried to connect it to my tablet, and it is working, but as it does not have any battery itself, I am worried that if I use it with my tablet, I may damage the keyboard or the tablet. So it is working. I mean, if you have no other option and if you want to use it, then it is working. You can type on it smoothly, but I will recommend that you go for a Bluetooth keyboard, right? Like a K480 or a K380. So as you can see, there is no arrow button on the right, but there is arrow icons on the left where we have WASD, and you can use it with function keys, and that will solve your problem.